In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the bad debts in Sage. As we can see in this transaction on 17th of January, it says Mr. Walter didn't pay the due amount, thus treated as bad debts. So due to whatever reason you are unable to receive the money from your customers, it should be treated as a bad debts. Not only that, but the previous invoices against this customer should close against this bad debt. So that's a very important treatment. This means that we cannot just directly pass a journal entry in order to settle that. We have to close the earlier invoices if there is any as well. So let's see how we can deal with this in Sage. First of all, we have to head over to the customers and sales section where we enter the bad debts. We are not receiving the money, right? But this is a way around because there is no direct treatment of dealing with the bad debts in Sage. So let's go in here in the receive money and click on receive money from customers. We'll not actually receive the money. We will see later on how we can deal with this. So let's select Mr. Walter. I'll just select Mr. Walter here. And as we can see here, this is 2 pending invoices and the total amount 15,000 plus 2,800 makes it, if we clear both of them, this makes it 17,800. So this whole amount is a bad debt. Now what we will do is we will put any reference number, receipt number, just make sure the date is correct. 17th of January, just check both of them again. And now we are not receiving the cash. We are receiving, instead we are trying to book it in the expenses at the bad debt. So what we will do is after completing the entry before saving it, we head over to the journal. And here, as we can see, the cash in hand option is open. Rest of them is grayed out. So we will change the ledger from here and we will take it to bad debts. As we can see, under 6150, we have the bad debt expense. Just book it here, click OK, and we can simply save it. Now it will ask you, you have selected an account with an account type that is not typically used for the cash account transactions. Do you want to save this transaction anyway? So it's just a warning. Click on yes, and just go back to see the receipt. Maybe sometimes you see some other receipt. So just make sure that you select the right one, click on journal, and now we can see it recorded as a bad debt. So that's how you do it. Just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.